Mr. Chiman and Kransa Kintampo, Sompa 90.7 FM, Susuno, Ekute Mo, Anope, and some Dawson, Naposoni, Cecilia Jebu, Jenya Babi Druman Penida, John Mama, Sisi Wyman Peniful Fro, Mayimo, Asaf, Nemasai, Wakantama Dinse, said you also a beer, and I'm ranting about what any Juma Susuno, or Bayan in a castle and in a castle door. Naswe Jenny or woman, Naswe Jim, and my this year, why Yapekusu go about on Pasiaso, Yera John Jinapo, and a Otia Ghana for Naso, say why who na dumso a bit me asaso baby, and a footwa come and ranting about one, say Kuya, and yes, Ebia, a armor bravo, a Juma, Kuya, Nessica Wumpa, in Timantiano, a Jim Jenny, Yemfia Hunim, na a beboye, Busia, when you are full Pinoir, and Yakikesi and Yaniseka, baby, will be an opayeba, not your day about the sumo. As an appears in Command 21st Clinic, Associatic and Trina Chuchu to 2 on 1, it will be another question we are bought, and will be a 2 or dunia dia deno, observe for no beer now to a drew, and then get beer no be a bow war, a dear, if an associatic can be natural war. If you see him fall to us, say, and if I slim the cosi, or nampono sone, or nankokum, a bar, just say, do a beer now, Joe, and ya, observe for nature 21st Clinic, you won't do. You fidie your doctors were necessary wo mo abenia ya de ne enigina na etu afri ne padue mo bora ye branch bia mu Ghana fa na mu na ye doctors no enso mu emo wo mo na so yasene mu a anopa ba bia wo bia no ye ba na ya ba besum wo medin no e de na ya bo amali bia bogabzan fo ye nye brother finsem no ye nkobo nkasa emfa emmamo ye de mo hyase e de afri Ghana man panin foforo man panin John Dramani Mahama na tena ye na abusua enra ejebu enra wasafuna musa ya eja wakantama densi awi aboaguso se enfie na ya we ne mu odu oman nenim ede ye akobosha asase so no den tutu papa egu akom ama oman no afa no ntima papa ede efra enra ewo independence ko abonten so ena Ghana ye chief justice ma me getu tokuno ejina Ghana ya mamra constitution ya mamra nchi amaso a enam so ma mampeni John Dramani Mahama isaye asise wahye adwuma se efiri anura no a ezedie kyese ka na tu ya waye adwuma dendende na emra osaye no yankohwese ne osi eka ne nsem efaye enra ewo independence club bonten so
your name
John Dramani Mahama
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana as by law established that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana and that I will preserve protect and defend the constitution of the Republic of Ghana. So help me God.
Zafonti we aye mampani John Dramani Mahama ne yetene nka ntoja woso otwedi amponya nkrompo nsane akwabizu kan wosi so help me God ni ntia ya na hyase no aha e wasechire na eno akire na bedi akire Professor Jonah na opoku agiman esoso esaye enra ono ne di kan enhyehyɛ mu no mampani abedi akire bedi kan no na ye no de na enra de na anika eyese enra sorry ya wokono na kyese akwakoye mambi no Chief Justice Ayoba and a Ghana man penny abedi echire ye dikwan kra o meya bakosemu eso Ayoba Professor Ginano Pokwajiman and omumi edungina so no eco school bako ewo mfimfi mantemo entina kese akwakoye ndika ene abakosem sronko yanko rei emra na Professor Ginano Pokwajiman Ghana man penny abedi echire no no so esaye
I, Professor Nana Jane Oboko-Ajiman,
do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance.
To the Republic of Ghana.
To the Republic of Ghana.
As by law established.
As by law established.
That I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana,
the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana,
and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution.
Observant a Professor Jenana Opoku Ajiman, Vice President, Ghana man Penny Abedi Echiri, and no abako semu no wono any oba udikanya okuta eyese di breno and enra wono so isa ye no nti free enre banwa kese djuma no ahyase dike ewo man Penny atena ya wono mo ebo djuma na enwachi man Penny John Dramani Mahama so kasai edi tuja se onim gidie soronko a enrante ne mabawa ewo mayimu enya ewunimu na omomo nsa ensifom he onim se bibiri na ni adwuma ye ene ekosi boni ka ne se youth employment no ewo soro pa youth unemployment no ewo soro a enya asam ketwa na ose one ankrankre private sector no ba beto kese no mo akabum de also mo ye bia de also digu akwamu bia nhihye bia wo se na baye ne nane kina ya emam nante ma ba wanya adwuma ye no wono mo ebeye dodo ntu nim pa gidia emebru no enya wonimu na omomo nsa ensifom.
Committed to translating your hopes into action and creating opportunities for education, entrepreneurship, employment, and empowerment. Our policies will be tailored to sustain innovation and foster industry that engages today's young minds and equip them with the skills needed for tomorrow's challenges. Together with the private sector and captains of business, we will create decent and well-paying jobs.
Observant way a man penny that John Dramani Mahama yeten and Kafa Numa and Rantan Mabawa Benya Juma Ebenya Biaye na Bemuna na Obobo so de no say on the Ankonkre took a senoma kabum, the also Muye Bia Rantan Mabawano Ebenya Ejuma Aye and whichly man penny that John Dramani Mahama ne man penny yasa so yan fufro bill at the futu koma Ghana for say maybe a year drew no Obian for Ninsus Yemra Obian for Najunimra Rano man kase waso obeye ntini ye jabo no so amono nko akwakoyo debi bia ye duro no obi amfa ne nsusuye obi amfa na dweremra obi asoso emfa ne tirimopo emra ne ngina ye se beye na oman no ye pese ye kekere ene ba bia ye ngina ye pese duro no ye betime eduru ho na eduru ho no mo entempa mampeni John Dramani Mahama.
Grateful for this moment, a cornerstone in our journey towards a brighter future for Ghana. In this resounding victory, I see a clarion call, particularly from the youth of Ghana, a generation that is brimming with potential and dreams that are waiting to be realized. This moment, the powerful affirmation that your voices matter, that your aspirations are valid, and that your future must be our priority.
We a mampeni John Dramani Mahama yeten nke ubia so ye penny so ya kokra so ya brewa so ya kwada so ye bebru bia mfani nsusuye ene na dwenemra ne nyina sebe na oman no ye pese ye kyekere no ye de ebegina ba bia ye nyina ye beka ne se omayi yaba na yabe ne mu pa anso no mu a se Ghana ye mampeni abedi ye kira ye nya ne foforo omayi abakosem ebi NC da se oba eye vice president ewo mayimu eye Professor Jenana Opoku Ajiman no eno so mampeni John Dramani Mahama ekasai edifa ho ena oye ne se enye se bia eye kukosibo ne beka ne se coincidence ase eye bibina kikabum ni tiri na ye ena wakwakukuta dibre no se enye sa na tie de ntia empo womo adwene ho hu se maame no ebeboa woni no ekabom kopre mampeni adwana ebeye diama NDC and no ma babedu sampemprenso we no wonim se kwan bisuo no enam so ebesesa niema pii ewo omayimo.
Today we celebrate a new administration and herald an unprecedented era of opportunity and transformation. With Nana Jane Opoku Ajiman by my side, we are poised to embark on a journey of progress and inclusivity, united in our vision for a more prosperous Ghana. This day is particularly special for us and for every Ghanaian who dreams of a society where barriers are shattered and ambitions are realized. With the inauguration of Ghana's first female vice president, we have turned a significant page in our history. Nana Jane's ascension to the high office is not merely a personal triumph. It symbolizes our collective commitment to fostering a nation where gender equality and female representation are cherished and amplified.
Observant way so a dance here, Mampeni John Dramani Mahama, Ediye, Edifana Bedi Chri, Professor Jindano Pukwajimana, Eho Enono, say, Omaya, ye Timua, Edube Bikrano, na Baba, Yehu and Faswa, a one so say, Obewa Guinessa, Denibeku school, no doom Bembrensobi, Ewa Brabomufi say, the Dibre Kutani say, no, a bebo pa, na asasani, ma webe brebe, ama Mayan Ketenwa, or more Eban so any Gidie, and Arisemu Stronko, Ewa Mabraba, or more Ebumum. And what Jesus no, Mampeni John Dramani Mahama, Edia Dansia Stronko, Edifa Mampeni, and Adu Danko Kufadua, Nejuma Ebe ye Enra, Nasi say what if ye, Samampeni Dada, was it Udinipa, and yen net, and Wababi Huno. Na Osasu Buosronko, Ede Emma Mampeni, and Adu Danko Kufad Mampeni Dada, Nanadu Danko Kufadu, ne, Ofi, was so Buosronko, Edemano, and Mampeni Kufado, Sosono, Ebuna Kwansronko, so, was it Onimu Pa, said Garden Ginani Paba Kopa, say, Ding, or dear, or the Fre Ono Mampeni, John Dramani Mahama, and Mampeni Dada Kufado, say, or friend Johnny, or say Garden, you know, no qua, and in pa, or this head dinner, a friend Nimuno, and Nekra.
Today's exercise between the outgoing President, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, and I feels a bit like a deja vu. That is because 8 years ago to this day, on January 7th, 2017, we shared this same space and performed this same transitional exercise. At the time, I was the outgoing president, having served one term, and he was the incoming president, having been given a mandate by the people of Ghana to lead this great nation of us. He and I both understood on that day, as I'm sure we are today, that it is the people of Ghana that we are elected to serve. Somehow, it seems fitting that it is with Nana Akufo-Addo that I twice shared this stage and this unique historical distinction. Because Nana Akufo-Addo and I began our national political careers in Parliament in the same year, 1996. He has always greeted me with warmth, a firm handshake and a smile. And he is perhaps the only person in my life who has persistently chosen to call me Johnny.
Weye adansia sronkoa Mampeni John Dramani Mahama Ediye Edifa Mampeni Dada na Nadu Danko Akufo-Addo ho se unimne pa ono nkoa ena Ghana nyina ofrenu Johnny na unimemra omo ehye o mabrabo ase o mrase bigefie mafia pem ahankno ediokono ensia 1996 na sabre no kra no na omo colleague so no na Nadu Danko Akufo-Addo unimne pa na oyeni senior nti omo obuosronko eda womo entem anso a Mampeni abedi echire dada ono susu adwuma ba wiye a odi MPP abanyoku animu kopre Mampeni adwa anye yama no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia so no Mampeni John Dramani Mahama edin ho adanse pa se yetu abawie ememene da no ade eche ne kwasi ada anopa ade a Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia eyeye no ade a agi omayi na edi oman no ababedum pemprenso a yedri ose obetwa no kruse na wobunu pa sade no a oye no eye kwasi ada anopa na nyagi a obegitu mu ntemu a enka ebia enkenye ne se yigina independence ko abonten so a yebusi na akwakoye ni je nko ano adanse ene abasobosro nko a Mampeni John Dramani Mahama ede Mampeni abedi echira ene adwuma ba wiye Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia eni
My warmest wishes to His Excellency, the former Vice President, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. It was a grueling campaign, and we gave it our all. Your sportsmanship in making an early concession eased tensions and contributed to the early conclusion of the electoral contest.
Observant way so Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Dansia Mampeni John Dramani Mahama Ediye Efan ho eno na chese otrese nanu kwesi adam no pa sadia woye no ebia Ghana fupi ehunu nanso omu agya wo mu eduru bunu na omu ebembe titinsem de omu enim de Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ye twas yan from Freeman Penny John Dramani Mahama nsemo eno obobo so no so na ne dwumadie na se ho no mo a ena ne MP baako a woye mrase dwanima de se wo ya pekusugu abaton peso aso Yera John Abdullahi Jinapo John Jinapo esusu kwakwa ne se Ghana for emo ewu ye mo ehun nyame amfa ko mu a hwan wi edum so bi ebeba no enya asemketo otisi Ghana petrol ni kuru mu diesel nyina short wa diesel ne petrol aka no chese edi Ghana akọ na nimu kura no eye be 2 days pe etisi nyame amfa ko mu a dum so be ni ti wo mayim no enya asemketo akra Honorable John Jinapo ne nsemni
5 hours of fuel stock. If you look at heavy fuel oil and distillate fuel, we don't have up to 2 days. And so in 2 days' time, we are likely to run out of fuel. This administration has not ordered any fuel as we speak. And it takes on average 4 weeks for the fuel to arrive and 4 weeks for the fuel to be treated. And so we are in a very serious situation. At the transition, we brought this up. The outgoing administration assured us that they had procured some parcels of fuel. Today, right after President Mahama assumed office, and I said on the transition, my checks indicate that we do not have fuel that can cater for even 2 days.
Observant wa ye NDC Mraswe Jani o Mraswe Jefima desi o ya peku sogu abaton peso so Honorable John Abdullahi Jinapo John Jinapo ena yete ne nkanwa enra mampeni John Dramani Mahama ya mamreni amani enu saye dwumadie na ase ena nsɛmtwefo bu pini no a wode sansem wi eto nsɛmtwefo enim se Ghanafo enhye sapo mu nso ne moye ho na wanhwe adum so bia ebe ni ti no enya asɛmketo a ye de kasea na ekwa akɔwie wo mtinti mantemu na ye kɔ ye nuanu makuafo mo don katie wo mo enkabo mu ku a ewo commander ene ne mpotemu na opani oda wo ma no Emmanuel Nana Kobna Aka na Granite Growers Association of Ghana kuno ne fa ewo commander ene ne mpotemu na osre Ghana for the futu akoma Ghana mrante ne mabawa no sese wo yakuani a ene no nche sese bi no ase utiri dibuawo ase yadwene ye se wo mu a sukuu no andi amwa wunum no mokɔ yakuafo o se ne kuayo no sika wewom epremafo ne sikafo a ene akrachefo a kuayo no wo mo ye no enya asenketo nto basema ntene mabawa no se bi aduma bi anse hunu bi a ya ne yeta keka eni ye ho no wo kuayo mu no yensese yadwene kra yemfe ye ho nyi kuayo mu na ebeboa me yabrabo SCP esita
na mani so hwema funa bekeyi ba commander ha yewu de ade wo be setie pa ekodwuma na anyamie tienwe so ye no bebi na hu de mfosese papa biara oni ekodwuma it is a youth ni na nyamie wa adom de ezewu mo ba che ama ekodwuma na ifi de empepra abo
Observant we ayo penim pa wono ena eda Granite Growers Association of Ghana kunu ne fa ewo commander bonten so ano eno na opania adwumadi omudi ye we titire ne chairperson ne ma wunum lawyer Nana Adwoa Akon Mensa omsusu omukuo no a womo atie no ono akro no a ene saso mranimfo de ma wunum no so no eja okoye de nanim onyam kota adwumadi ne chi no wode kakra futu kakra piso ma womo sei association no what it starts with you
nyo biara nya ya zo ba bo abo afuzo ye but say bo wa ana yakopon so obo wana what God helps those who help themselves. Inspire upon so one may say we send a man in your kind of what's in the world, you know. Sister and Nana the globe or send the water the first female vice president elect Amara as a lawyer as they say in Mr. Funyara now nationals in the empowerment of women.
Observant way a lawyer Adjua Akon Mensa and Yetin and Kenan Wetri about Penny a Banuka Johans and Samoa a ja or her so titru the farm Maya and a Maho a commander Edina Eguafu Brima Baton Pesiaso so Eddie Adesre to a chef when him say Akolaye Bonia yes ye cha dramano. Now the way Sakola Nitimua better no you know about Yekuni when him such as Adonia Suchin Tingadi obey it was a free kwana cheche for no titru any secondary schools ni ade ade no omunya science nhunu na ya no mudi no
zaye pede ka kire eye schools no na den students ne de ma mbebu ni hu ado de oye ada wode tia hon yenyim de abofa ya ada wode wo tian nti obetuma afa kwan fofo bi do ampa se be bi efu na wode wodo wa osafata de wode wodo na mo ma mo fa ni hu de